Today, the resident home cook blessed me with his signature pizza burger using pita bread as a bun, topped with zesty sauce, cheese, pepperoni, green peppers, and more cheese. You're not gonna believe it. I didn't even believe it. Unbelievable. A 3.5-pound burger stuffed with mushrooms, garlic, onions, and cheese. Yes, and ghost peppers. You'd have to see it to believe it. Who's gonna believe me? A giant burger stuffed with all the toppings we love on a pizza. Come on. It's all true. If you want proof, stay tuned. We'll show you exactly how it's done.
This way you'll get basically even slices all the way around. You got all these newfangled ways out here chopping these new $300, $400 machines that are chopping, mince, and dice, but nothing works better than Granny's old dicing tool. Okay. But since this is going to be a ghost pepper pizza burger, we are using all ground beef.
Okay, so what's all going into the meat right here?
Okay, well right here we got about 4 pounds of ground beef, and there's a cup of each: green onions, bell pepper, celery, and garlic. And we're gonna mix it up, and that's going to be the outside of our pizza burger. I mean, you can use any onion that you want to use. I just prefer green onions.
Yeah.
Okay. What we're doing right now is we're mixing up our meat for the ghost pepper pizza burger. I got a little bell pepper, a little celery, garlic, onions, green onions. You can use the white onions, red onions, whatever type of onions you like, but I like green onions, so we got green onions. What's gonna set this off is the ghost pepper sauce. Now, let's see about how much I put up in here. We're gonna get that all mixed up in there, all through there. That's why it's best just to go ahead and use your hands. And just remember, whenever you deal with hot peppers, you should be wearing some type of gloves, because it will burn. It will burn. Especially if you get hold of one of them seeds. So, always use gloves when you're dealing with hot peppers. Even the simple part of just cutting them. Alrighty. Now we're about ready to make our patties, and then we'll head to the grill. Okay, now we have our toppings for our ghost pepper pizza burger. We got a little mozzarella, some diced tomatoes, some pepperoni, and a little sauteed mushrooms, and we have our sauce right here. Now you can use any toppings that you want inside of this burger. It just so happens that the person who's going to eat these burgers likes these toppings, so that's what we're going to use. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a giant meatball, then we're going to roll it out, and this is going to be our ghost pepper burger, pizza burger. And that's a little big there, so I'm looking at the bread that we're going to use to put in here. We don't want to make it too thick, and we don't want to make it too thin, because if we make it too thin, then all of the ingredients will roll out. it will seek out. We're gonna try to get this probably about a 1/4 inch thick. Okay. I want to try to make it as circular as possible. It's beef, so it's got fat in it, so it's gonna draw up. So if you want your burger to fit the size of your bun, then you're gonna have to make the burger. You're gonna have to make the burger bigger than the size of the bun. Okay. And this one is going to be bigger than the size of our bun, because like I said, a 1/4 inch thick. And once we get this patted out, because actually some of this is going to go back on the top, but we are basically making a burger pizza right now out of this. Okay. Alrighty, now we're going to top our ghost pepper pizza burger. We're going to start with a little bit of sauce, just like any pizza. And put that in. We're not going to need a whole lot. We don't want to go completely to the edges, but we want, that's good, because some of this is going to flow over. And those who like it really hot can put a little ghost pepper inside of here with the sauce. Make it even spicier. Add a little mozzarella. Then we go with our meat, the pepperoni. I mean, if you like a lot of pepperoni, use a lot of pepperoni. Do it however you want to do it, okay? I'll put a little tomatoes on there, a little chopped tomatoes. We already got our bell pepper in the meat and some chili peppers. And like I said, feel free to use whatever toppings you like. Then we're gonna top that with some of these mushrooms. We saute these a little bit, get that nice brown color. Caramelize them a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. So we're gonna put a little bit more cheese on there. Yeah, I bet you never. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these edges and we're gonna just kind of like fold those over. Okay, make sure to keep the meat together, because like I said, you don't want it to seep out, especially not over the grill, because then you're gonna have a big mess, trust me. Okay, just gonna roll that on up like that. And actually, if you wanted to, this is really all you would need to do, but this is a ghost pepper pizza burger. We could have left it open like that, but we're gonna top this because once again, it is a burger. Okay, and we're gonna put that on there. We're gonna close all that up, gather that all together like that. I know this is a big burger. Alrighty, now our burger is complete and it's ready to go on the grill. Alright, it's that time to put that ghost pepper pizza burger on the grill. We're gonna use this grill plate because of the size of it, and we don't want it to fall into the grill because that would really mess up tonight. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and flip this pizza burger. You're gonna have to be very careful with this. Okay. Alright. Okay, remember, do not smash the burger. When you smash it, you lose the juice. Just flip it. Now that we got it all smoky flavored up now, you can either continue to cook this on the grill plate, or at this point in time, you should feel safe with flipping it on the grill if you want to. And you can see that nasty fire trying to creep up. The grill plates, they prevent that. So, you know, if you want to make sure that you don't have no flames coming up and you want to put something on a grill plate, you won't burn it. Okay, well, you can burn it, but you can come and turn it and it won't be burned if you come in time. But if anything, you can burn. So let that cook for about a couple of more minutes on each side. So 2 to 3 minutes on that side, 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We good to go. We got our flatbread here. We're gonna cook that for a few seconds. We're gonna put a little bit of ghost pepper sauce just on the top of it there. Just give it a little kick there. We're gonna flip that over real quick. Same thing to the other side. Alright, I'm just gonna flip that over so you guys can see that. It's nice and toasted. It's all about the sauce. So we're gonna put a little bit on that flatbread right there. Not a lot, just a little. Give it a little taste. Alrighty, there we go. Same as with the inside. We're gonna top it with the same stuff. Add the rest of that ghost pepper sauce on there. Now we're gonna put the final touch on there. A little bit of tomatoes. Okay.
This is the ghost pepper pizza burger. I've been waiting all day on this burger. It's strange how it came about because I requested something different from the resident home cook. I said, man, I could just go for a giant ghost pepper pizza burger. Oh yeah.
There you go. Ghost pepper cheese pizza burger.
I'm gonna smash.
Using a ghost pepper sauce.
That's good right there. That's good. Man, that was amazing. Oh, what didn't it hit? It's hitting my lips, and it's delicious. Everything is in there, like the taste of mushrooms, spicy tomatoes, and this ghost pepper. If you like it hot and like it spicy like we do, and spicy is the lifestyle with you like it is with us, you'll love this recipe.